this is Misha. I have come to you today. We're going to go ahead and put together my prepping storage cabinet. So, just wanted to say hello to everybody. Hope everybody's having a good day. Everyone's blessed today. And so we're going to go ahead and get started on this cabinet. Let me go ahead and take a look or show you what we'll be putting together today. Just a second. Okay, guys, so this is my Rubbermaid cabinet. It's a 4-shelf cabinet. Doesn't look like it'll be too hard putting it together. So we'll go ahead and jump right in, put in the cabinet, and then we'll kind of discuss some things that you can use this for as far as a prepping aspect or even just organization within the home or, you know, garage or whatever you choose to use it for. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do, and I do have my grandchildren here. If my cameraman will show my grandbabies over here. They said that they would like to help me. So right now what we're going to do is just unbox the shelf and see what we have here to put together. You guys are going to help? All right. So Michael, you go ahead and take that and just go set that over there because I don't want that to make a mess everywhere. We'll put this up here. All right, Chanel. How about you take that piece and just set it down on the floor. Okay, set that down. All right, guys. So we're gonna get this thing put together. Set that down there. Got my helpers. Okay, another piece. Put that over there. Set that over there. Okay, you set that over there. So we're just going to stack everything up and we might follow the instructions. You know how we are about not following instructions. So we've got just about all the pieces out. Set that over there. All right. Set that over there. Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm going to just take a look at these instructions and we'll get started on putting the cabinet together. Okay, so we're going to stop filming right here for just a second. this came with 4 shelves. So next, what I'm going to do is just go ahead and pop the shelves in. So overall, it's been pretty easy to put together. Took just a little bit of time, but now I will go ahead and put these in a little bit later once I decide how tall, because you can adjust the shelves the way you want them. But as far as like prepping, if you want to keep like, and my goal for my cabinet is to keep like first aid supplies, alcohol, bandages, herbs, you know, medications and everything in the cabinet, so that I can take a better inventory of what I have, you know, have in the house. So this is what I'm going to use my cabinet for. But this is the Rubbermaid cabinet. I did purchase it on Amazon, so you can find that on Amazon. These can go inside or outside, and as you can see, it's not bad looking. I did get the black so that it kind of matched things in the house. But so here's the cabinet. Here's the finished product. If you have any questions, you can definitely just let me know. As far as like the shelving, you just kind of pop it in, and it has you know, little knobs so that you can adjust the height that you need it to be. So this is the prepping storage cabinet for the medical supplies. I do plan on getting another one just to do some more organization in the house. But this is Misha with Connecting Kindly. Here's the cabinet. Promise to do the video. Please subscribe, leave comments. See you next time.